And my lovely audience, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, I would like to say thank you for giving me this opportunity to stand here and giving a speech about the topic, the smallest thing that you can do to create a better future. Now, allow me to explain a little bit of youth. Based on the facts, youth has a high curiosity, a high capability of doing something more than another. Okay, and when a youth also has a high curiosity, it means that he or she will try everything and anything without even thinking twice. Now, I would like to explain. The audience and the judges, you may answer, which is the most important aspect of making a youth to become a successful person? Is it their environment? Is it their parental education or parental guide? Or is it from education? Honorable judges, what do you think? Is it from the environment, or is it from the parental guidance, or is it from education in school? Both? All of them. Good. Now, let me open everything up. The first aspect and the basic education as youth can do to become a successful person is from the parental guidance. Why? Because when we were born, our parents used to always say to us, don't do this, don't do that. We, as a youth, always ignore them. As a theory, we all, as a youth, as myself also, know that even how to be a successful person is easy. It's easy, everyone know how to do it. Even if you say, to become a successful youth, you must do this, you must do that. Of course I know that for a long time ago. But I'm speaking the facts. The facts how? If they all know, how come there is so much problem developing with the youth itself? For example, if we take 100 sample of students, based on the facts, you can see that there's only 20% of them are really know what are their visions of life. For example, what do you want to be when you grow up? You will say, I want to be a doctor. The other will say, I want to be a pilot. Everyone will say, I'm following him. No clue at all for what he's doing for a living. Now, my lovely audience, let me open the facts that the first thing is that parental guidance is important because it can lead not only to become the youth a successful person, but also having a good character. Good character is very important. Very important, because if you have a good character, automatically that successful things will come to you. But if you have a bad character, let's just say that there's so many out there, successful person but has a bad character, won't be appreciated, or maybe the successful is just temporary, not forever and ever and ever. Okay. And then the secondly is the environment also comes an important aspect of a youth to become a successful person. Why? Because nowadays, as you can see, youth mostly listens to their friends besides their parents. Why? Because they are curious of doing something. The friend says, hey, come with me. Okay, and their parent says, don't go, it's dangerous. They won't listen. It's the fact. We can't ignore about it, but it's true. Now, what a small thing, what a youth can do, based on my facts, is one, stop smoking. Stop smoking? Why? It's good for their health. But now, as you can see, if we go by the road, you can see all the students sometimes when going home time, you can see them sitting beside the road and smoking. But it's bad for their health. They know it, but they didn't do it. It's the littlest thing. Or another example, you can say that when you wake up in the morning, waking up in the morning, don't say that we wake up alone. If you ask my friends, if you ask maybe to your brothers or sister, hey, when you wake up, who woke you up? Is it the alarm clock or is it the sound of azan? Or did your parents wake you up? I bet the answer would be my parents woke me up. Why? That's a fact because you can see now what the youth has done. They all are lazy because they like to do easy things and they won't do the hard things. I don't know why. But as for myself and my experience, because I also feel as a youth, they have to have a self-awareness, a self-conscious of what they will do. If they have that self-awareness, for example, if they do is right for them and for their family, maybe they will do it if it's good, but it's bad. They will think again, oh, I must not do that, because whatever I do, my family will get a good name and a bad name. They will think twice. It's a reality that we must accept. It's true. Just see how a successful person. I can set an example because I haven't read the story yet, but it's true. And for the final conclusion of my speech is, the last one was that education is also important, but it doesn't play a very important role of becoming a successful person because it's only a bridge for getting a future career, but not becoming a good, successful person. Why? Because we know now there are so many examples, people who you didn't get a good education, but has become successful. Do you agree? Good. Now, thank you very much for your attention. I would really appreciate the feedback and the suggestions from the judges and my honorable friends. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum.